in our Apex edition with the supercharger. Watch this, y'all. It just, oh my gosh, so impressive, the way a Jeep should be. All right, y'all, I got a special one for you today. Whether you're a Ford follower of ours or not, you gotta watch this video. Two Jeep Gladiators behind us, 850 horsepower between the two. Yeah, that's right, 850 horsepower via hamburger supercharger on both of these bad boys. We've got an aggressive on 40s and a Apex on 35. I'm gonna show you everything about these two beauties that are actually quite fast. Let's go. So I gotta be real with y'all, since they come with a real deal in the automotive industry. 285 horsepower on a Jeep product just does not excite me at all. I just can't get excited about it. They need Hemi, they need something. So what do we do to combat that here at Willies at Akins? We supercharge. So we take the Pentastar V6, throw a hamburger supercharger on there, and definitely is a huge help. So we've got a big bad Defender edition here. This is Hunter's, and it's on 40s. It's a phenomenal Overland style. He's a outdoors guy, Hunter Brantley, and just a great guy. Him and his brother both. Hope Logan works here for us. And this one for sure had to have some more power via the lift and the wheels and the added weight. We just had to get more power to him. So glad that he was able to do this for his phenomenal Gladiator Defender edition. And then over here, got a great one, a little more agile, a little more athletic. Did a 2-inch, this is our Apex edition, did a 2-inch Mopar suspension kit on this one in 35s. And this one will run, y'all. This one here is impressive as far as acceleration and just overall power. Very fitting for what it should. I mean, this is the way it should come from the factory, with a supercharger, just ready to roll. So we've got out of this world Defender edition, and then we've got Apex edition. So two bad boys, both supercharged. I want to open the hood, show you the supercharger. So I got this bad boy Apex edition supercharged, and I've got Kason, a great guy. He's one of our installers. He did both these builds from start to finish. As far as the fab pours, everything, every component you see modified, Kason's our guy. So really like Kason. He's a great installer for us. So Kason, hand in hand, did both these superchargers. So I just want him to tell y'all what his thoughts are on this as a whole, the hamburger supercharger.
I think they're awesome. Everybody knows that the Gladiators are underpowered, but put that supercharger on there, and it's very impressive. Makes it where you feel like you can actually pull out in traffic and not get hit.
Exactly. So I guess obviously you lean towards this one, the Apex versus this one as far as the power standpoint.
Yeah, I think this one has a lot to do with just all the added weight, plus the 40s of course, but the weight especially. This one, you notice it big time, especially when it gets wound out. It's awesome. Yeah,
my thoughts exactly. So this one's a champ as far as being agile and athletic. This one just kind of gets it back to where it feels adequate enough to turn the 40s.
Yeah, that's about what I'd say.
Yeah, for sure. What about the install? I mean, the install as far as, you know, a simple install, was it complex at all, or?
It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It's not a whole lot harder than changing the alternator, other than adding the plumbing and the piping. You got to do a little bit of cutting, but it's something you can do at home.
Gotcha. Now don't let him lie to y'all. He's an advanced installer, so if he's saying easy, it's probably gonna be medium for most of us if we tried to attempt this, or maybe even difficult. So
that's probably true.
Yeah, he's phenomenal with his stuff. So thank you, Kason.
Yes, sir.
So Kason's great, and here's a closer look at supercharger components. Actually just send the ECM over to them, and you know, about a 3-day turnaround, they sent it right back to us. So it wasn't a lengthy install in totality as far as the total length time of doing it. But in fab step bars, did fab 4 on here, and I'll show you more of this video, this Hunter's truck. There's other videos already on our page of this truck. I'm gonna do one specifically just for the final build on this one. We're adding some more stuff to it for him, but he's got an impressive rig as far as everything you need to go overlanding or camping or adventure seeking. It's all here. We're putting some bed mollies in the side on this one, also, and some lower rockers and a few more things. So I just thought it was very fitting, guys, to have two. You don't see it much. I mean, we do stuff that just continues to impress and amaze me, and I'm a part of it. So it's just awesome. Two supercharged beauties right here. Why was it Akins? Thanks so much.